Yes, yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So, good morning, all of you. I know you guys might have been preparing a lot for Match Extended. So, you guys would be the first batch to see the new change with the syllabus, with the way the paper systems. Yeah. So, the Feb March 2025, the new first time when the papers have been changed a little. I would not say a little bit, but too much. There have been changes this time. So when it comes to the extended papers, this time what we can see until now it used to be two papers, paper 2 and paper 4, wherein both the papers used to be asked for maybe both firstly used to be calculator papers, both of the papers calculators were allowed. Now in the first paper, which is paper 2, calculators won't be allowed. Number 2, paper 2 and paper 4 both are going to be 100 marks each. So like before it used to be 80 and 130, 120 marks, all that things have been gone. Now paper 2 will be of 100 marks, and it will be of 2 hours definitely, which is 120 minutes in hand. And paper 4 again, which will again be for 2 hours, okay, and that is also going to be for 100 marks, and the weightage for both the papers would be 50% this time. So the weightage this time has been given is 50% for both the papers. Okay, paper 2 calculators are not allowed clearly, and paper 4 calculators would be allowed. Definitely, there are going to be the questions which are going to be in the paper 2. I am aware that the questions would be this time a little bit on the easier side as compared to the last paper of paper 2. So I know that we have been studying all the past papers. Whoever have been studying and solving the past papers, they have solved the papers, but the sums what you all have done, most of the sums required calculators in paper 2 as well. But this we need to solve a lot of paper 2 sums without calculator. We need to practice a lot of sums without calculator. So yes, that is what you need to give a little bit of um, more weightage on. So one bad news, paper 2 no calculator, which you guys have never been used to doing things without a calculator. So now you need to be prepared to do and solve without a calculator also. So that's not I think it's a bad news for you all that you all are not allowed to use calculators, but it will really help you all when you are going ahead. Okay, along with this, if you see the the syllabus, the content most or less remains the same. Hardly there are one or two topics which have been added and deleted, which I'll take it further ahead. I'll be explaining you in detail the syllabus what has changed actually for this time. What I am expecting the things might come up this time in the paper. I will be mentioning about the same as well over here. So we have paper 2 and paper 4. The good part over here will be when you are doing the paper, along with the paper, the list of formulas. The list of formulas will be provided to you in the paper itself. So yes, that is one very good point, one very good part for you all, a good point, wherein the formulas are itself going to be given to you, which was never been given for IGCSE 0580 paper until now. But the formulas now would be given to you, which are majorly covering most of the important formulas, everything out here. So if you see the sine and the cosine rule is covered over here, area of a triangle is given to you, the volumes of different, when you see the volumes are already given to you. The volumes are also covering the formulas of the area of the cross section. So basically if it's a trapezium, and so let's say whatever is the cross section given to you, a prism is given to you, a pyramid or anything is being given to you, then the volume itself is also mentioning the area of that particular shape being given to you. So most of the things what I feel over here, they have made it a bit easier as well for you all, wherein you need not remember the formulas anymore, you need not memorize the formulas. Okay, this will be an advantage for the students. Content, now if you ask me, the content has somewhat remained the same. The content, if you guys have been preparing, okay, before going to the content, I want to explain you all one thing. I know the textbook which is being provided, the textbook has to be used to a limited content. For example,